Hey guys, welcome back to one of our Tamara application videos. So today we are going to be doing an advanced video, which is a good thing because I'm going to be two things at the same time. Okay, I'm going to tell you the two things I'll be, or people I'll be. So I'll be a trainer and I'll be a student, okay, like a teacher and a student. So for the first half of the video, I'm going to be the trainer, and then I'll tell you when I'm going to change into the student. All right, let's begin. So now I'm going to go into the app, but before I go there, I just wanted to say what we're doing. So today we are going to be learning how to create questions and how to allocate them in the quick allocation section in Tamara X10. Alright, let's begin. So obviously, before you start, you need to go into the Tamara X10 application. So let's go. Let's hold on 1 or 2 seconds and we'll be in. Now we're in. Okay guys, I'm not going to explain this because I've explained this in multiple videos and multiple times in my other videos. So if you want to know what this is, don't worry, go ahead and check one of my other videos on how to understanding this part of the application. Okay, I'm gonna click start, and then this part is basically about how many days you have left. So what this means is 97 days. I have 97 days left to use this application. Okay, so in 97 days I'll need to get a new one. So it also tells you here when the application is going to expire, which is the 1st of the 6th of 2023. Now I'll click close. Great, now the application is opened. So I'm going to run through this page even though I've explained it multiple times in other videos so you guys understand it. So this is the home page like it says here, and like it says here I have 97 days. It's a finance application and it's also a training simulator, okay? And it's telling us we can start a new case. All right. This is these are all the 6 buttons, yeah? We're only going to be using two today. So depth and quick allocation, okay? Great. Now, I'm just going to say what's written on the circle. So number 1 is depth, number 2 is quick allocation, number 3 is quest depth statement breakdown, number 4 is notes, number 5 is reset all new case, and number 6 is new Excel. Okay, now this is the demo button. If you click this, you're going to be asked, do you want to listen to Tamara's demo? I'm not going to go inside because like I said before, I already have a video on the Tamara demo explaining itself, okay? Right. Let's go on, guys. Okay, I'm going to click on depth. We're going to come here, but first what we need to do is click reset all debtors. So what this does is it's going to remove everything. The reason why I'm removing everything is so that it can start from beginning, and there's no so we don't mix up the data that we're bringing in with the data that is coming in. Okay, great. Now I'm going to click reset all debtors.
This action will delete all data you have entered only in this section of the application. Do you want to continue?
I'm going to say yes because I'm very sure I want to do that.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly.
Great. Now as you can see, it's removed everything from the page. Good. Now the place that we need to go to is the training parts. So I'm going to create the questions automatically this time. So let's go to settings, the settings button here. And guys, if you guys might be wondering what's this page about. I've explained this page in my other videos, so you might want to go check those out if you're wondering what this is about. So now I'm going to click settings. Then this is a lot of options you can do with the application. So I'm not going to go through them now because I have multiple videos explaining them, okay? Great. Now I'm going to go into training, this box here, and we'll click training question generation. Okay, we'll click that. Wonderful. Now this is open. Don't worry guys, there's a lot of menus for you guys to understand, but I've explained them in other videos teaching you how to go through them. And remember guys, I am a trainer, okay? Right now I am a trainer. So I'm going to go into the automatic statement generation, and I'll click stage 1. Great. Now this is the draft. One thing that you need to remember guys is before you click this add button, always remember to click the delete draft, okay? So you don't mix up the existing data, which is this one, plus your new data that you're adding. Okay, wonderful. Now click delete draft.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Great. Now it's asking me, are you sure you want to delete all data you have generated? I'm very sure, so I'm going to click enter.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Wonderful guys. Now we can go and click add. So we come here. Okay guys, this is where you can select how many you want to create, but this is not the part we're coming to first. We're going to go into key settings first, then we'll come back here. And if you guys are wondering what's this page about, this is the automatic section where you can automatically create questions for your trainee or student. Okay, I'm going to go into key settings. Now we're in key settings. This is where we set different types of boundaries so the computer knows, so the application knows when we want to, what is the maximum date, like it says here, the minimum amount, maximum amount. Okay, great. Now I'm going to start in statement 1. Click general state settings 1. Okay, max date. Let's say max date can be the 1st of the 1st of 2023. Okay, simple date, isn't it? Right. Next one is minimum amounts. Let's make it simple. We'll take it down to 0, and the maximum amount is 100. Simple numbers. Okay, great. Now it says months remaining. Okay, months remaining, we can say minimum can be 0, not 20, 0, and the maximum can be 10. Wonderful. Now I can go down. Customer name, we can leave it as default, or you want to change it to any customer name you like. Great. Now next one is debt ID. Yeah, we can leave this because it's already there, so there's no need to touch it. It's already the default data, so there's no need to mess with it. It's all right, you can mess with it if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it. Now I'll go next. Months remaining, I'll delete it, put 0 as minimum. Then next one is 10. Great. Next, we can leave this place because we don't have to do anything here, but I have a video explaining what all this is about. Okay, now I'll click generate value.